In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Outlook. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just setting up your account, managing contacts efficiently is crucial for maintaining your communication flow and ensuring you never lose touch with important people. So let's dive right in and walk through this straightforward process step by step. To begin with, open your Outlook application. Once you have Outlook up and running, direct your attention to the left side of the interface. Here, you'll see a series of icons or buttons, each offering a different functionality. Tap on the People icon. This icon resembles a small silhouette of a person and is your gateway to managing your address book and contact list in Outlook. Now that you've clicked the People icon, you're officially in the realm of contact management. This section of Outlook is designed to make managing your network as smooth as possible. You may notice your existing contacts displayed here if you've already added some. Don't worry if this section looks empty, we're about to change that by adding a new contact. Let's move to the next step, which is adding a new contact to your Outlook account. Locate the Add New Contact button in this section. This button is fairly intuitive and is usually prominently displayed to make adding new contacts seamless. Go ahead and click on it. A new window or pane should open up, presenting you with a blank contact form. This is where the magic happens. In the contact form, you will be prompted to fill in various fields to store information about your new contact. At a minimum, you'll want to enter the person's name and email address. However, Outlook allows for much more information to be stored, such as phone numbers, address details, job title, company affiliation, and even notes about the contact. Feel free to fill in as much information as is relevant to you. The more details you have, the better Outlook can help you in organizing and searching for your contacts later on. Once you've entered all the necessary details, take a moment to double check for any typos or missing information. Ensuring accuracy at this stage saves you time and potential miscommunications in the future. When you're confident that everything is correct, look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom right of the contact form. Click Save, and just like that, your new contact is neatly stored in Outlook's address book. And there you have it, a quick and efficient process for adding contacts to Outlook. Remember, keeping your contacts up to date will significantly aid in productivity and communication. Whether you're reaching out for a business opportunity or simply keeping in touch with friends, having a well-organized contact list is invaluable. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.